Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 73 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. We're kicking off the month of June with the Green River Honey Bourbon. Tonight's cocktail is the Beekeeper Sour. It completely rethinks the honey whiskey category. We're pulling back the sugar and leaning into a bright, split bitter to let the bourbon really shine. For our base tonight, we are indeed using the Green River Honey Bourbon. And because it already carries some natural honey notes, we want to respect the spirit without trying to bury it into a lot of syrup. We're going to use 2 full ounces of this 92 proof Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey with natural honey flavor. Next, we will have lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now, I always say, if you're using fresh squeezed lemon juice, please test how sour it is. Mine was quite sour, so I have decided to use a ½ ounce, but you might want to go as far as a 3/4 of an ounce if yours is not as sour as mine. Right in there. Next, we will be using gum syrup. I love gum syrup. It gives a really sweet, soft texture to everything and adds a slight bit of sweetness. We only need 1/4 of an ounce of the gum syrup. But I do love the silkiness that it adds. And to get that little frothiness that I enjoy in a sour, we will use 3 dashes of fee foam. You could also use an egg white if that's your preference, but this I always have on hand. Now we've got to have our spine that's going to hold this up. That's our bitters. And tonight we're using 2 different bitters. First, we're using the cardamom bitters. It's going to give us this warm, kind of exotic note to the cocktail, and it's going to give a little bit of spice. We will use 2 dashes of the cardamom. And it's lovely to have the Angostura bitters. They have this amazing classic structural note to them. It's going to ground the honey, and it's going to be just wonderful. 1 dash of the Angostura. Now, we will be adding ice to this. We will shake, and then we will pour it into our coupe glass. So let's do that now. Always good to have a good amount of ice. Our shaker. Let's shake. Go. I did double strain my lemon juice prior to making the cocktail. Therefore, I'm going to do a basic strain. But if you have your lemon juice and you didn't double strain it, you may want to use a double strainer right now to get a smoothness to your cocktail. We will strain this right into the coupe glass. It's got that lovely Beekeeper look to it, does it not? Love this. And since we're kicking off summer, we're going to use a dehydrated lemon wheel right on top there. Looks just beautiful. I love the citrus notes that are coming forward. It's kind of like you have citrus wrapped in wildflower honey. It's just lovely. It's very fragrant and floral. So I'm ready to taste this. Cheers to the Beekeeper Sour. Oh, well, first, I just love the silkiness of the mouthfeel. Between the gum syrup and the fee foam, it is just laying very lovely on my palate and allowing all the flavors to really sink in and get into every little crevice. The taste is crisp from that very fresh lemon juice. Again, it's silky, almost creamy feeling in your mouth. The citrus is vibrant, but yet we have the nice undertones of the honey, as well as some wood notes coming from this aged bourbon. Now on the finish, it's clean, dry, and with a little linger of oak and citrus. It's just amazing. I know you would not think that would be the combination for this cocktail, but it's all pulling together in that manner. It just tastes like summertime to me, something I'd love to have out on the back patio on a lovely afternoon. and I highly recommend that. Next week, we're continuing with the Green River Honey with another fun cocktail. For episode 74, it's going to be called Honey Nut Cheers. It's going to have a nuttiness as well as some sweetness. I think you're going to find it very fun. Tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and go ahead and shake up the Beekeeper Sour for yourself. I think you'll like it. Cheers.